Welcome everybody to 2023 Unity and Kindness Day. Days like this are great reminders of what it means to be connected, to extend and receive love and kindness.
On behalf of Assemblymember Rick Chavez Suburb and Senator Ben Allen, they are recognizing the Unity and Kindness Day, their certificates of recognition.
In the Unity and Diversity Council, we believe that artistic expression goes hand in hand with EDI work, so are very excited to partner with the School of Arts and Architecture as well as the Sepia Collective to bring an artistic activity to our Unity and Kindness Day this year.